How many questions are over? 3 over. Fourth one. 3 over. Question number 4. You should observe the left hand side. Do you know this value 3 pi by 4 directly? You do not know, but you can find out. Pi by 4 directly you know. Sec pi by 3 you know already. It means before taking LHS, let's find out the value of sine 3 pi by 4. Okay, so before taking LHS, you should find out the value of sine 3 pi by 4. Two sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 equals to 10. So before solving, you should observe it. Okay, you know already what is pi by 4 answer. Pi by 4 all angles you know, sine, cos, tan, cos, x, cot. Already pi by 3 also directly you know. This you do not know directly, 3 pi by 4. But we have a method so that we can calculate sine 3 pi by 4. So separately you should calculate first sine 3 pi by 4. How to find sine 3 pi by 4? You know sine pi by 4? You know pi by 4 angle. Then read 4 table. 4 into 1. 4 pi and we have only 3 pi. So 4 only one time read. 4 into 1, 4 pi. Then automatically here minus sign. Because why minus sign? Because this is 3 pi. It is 3 pi. So 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. That's why minus here. If this is 5 pi by 4, then we have to put plus 5. Okay, plus. And now what is sine pi minus theta? Pi is where? Recall quadrant. Where is pi? 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Here, in fact, 4 pi, in fact, 6 pi, and here pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. In fact, every odd multiple of pi here, every even multiple of pi, this line. So remember, whenever your angle on this line, ratio no change. Your angle on the vertical line, ratio change. Why ratio change? Because it is following that law, odd multiple of pi by 2. 1 into pi by 2, then 5 into pi by 2, like that. So pi means horizontal line, correct? So ratio no change. Sine is sine pi by 4. But plus or minus? Can you tell me? Plus or minus? Why plus? Because pi means exactly you are here. Exactly over here. Now minus means clockwise. Plus means anti-clockwise. Okay. So you are moving here. Then you will go clockwise. Clockwise means this direction. So you will automatically will be in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, the sign is positive. That's why answer will be positive sine pi by 4, and which is 1 by root 2. Okay. Now take left hand side. LHS. Left hand side, 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. Sine 3 pi by 4 just now we calculated 1 by root 2. 2 automatically here 1 by root 2, but whole square, always whole square. If cube, then whole cube. Here 2 cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, correct. Whole square because of this square. 2 sec pi by 3 means 2, because sec pi by 3 means sec 60, and sec 60 is opposite of sine 60. Sine 60 is 1 by 2, so opposite of 1 by 2, 2 by 1. So it is 2 whole square. Now calculate 2, 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, 2, and 2 to the 4. So 2 cancel, 2 cancel, and here 1 plus 1 plus 8. So 10, and 10 is your right hand side. Proved. It is right hand side. Proved. Okay, finish. Noted? Quickly. Now list of formula. Okay. Not even formula, list of formulae. It is not like formulas, list of formulae. Okay. So we'll now write down the list. You also write with me, and then you have to revise the formula. First number. In the first number, I will write the sum and difference. Okay. Sum and difference type. Sum and difference. Sum and difference, you would be knowing this type of also. Sin A minus B. Sin A minus B. And one is sin A plus B. Sin of A plus B. And one is cos of A minus B. And one is cos of A plus B. Do you know all this? Tell them. Sin A minus B means sin A, cos B, if minus, then minus. Oh, wow. Very nice. Excellent. Sin A plus B. Sin A, cos B, plus cos A, sin B. Cos of A minus B. In cos, cos, sin. Okay. In sin, cos, sin. Here, cos, plus. Now in the cos it is negative. I mean it is reverse. If it is minus, here plus. Then cos A, cos B, and sin A, sin B. Okay, this you know. And here cos A, cos B minus. Okay. So tan of A plus B. Do you know this? Tan of A plus B. Tan A cot B? No. Tan in 10. All 10. Tan of A plus B will be, see, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, formula is like pattern. You should observe it. Okay, you should observe. It is a pattern. So can you write tan A minus B? Tan of A minus B. So it will be tan A here minus. So this minus tan A tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Still list is there. Next, 7th. Okay, 7th. Cot of A minus B. A plus B first, right? Cot of A plus B, and one is cot of A minus B. Cot of A minus B. How to write cot? Cot and tan similar, but somewhat difference is there. Cot of A minus B. See, whenever you write cot A plus cot B, you will write reverse. First you write B angle, then you will write A angle. So we will write first to fill denominator, after that numerator. So cot of A plus B would be cot B plus cot A. Okay, and similarly I will write this also, cot of A minus B. So similarly, first B angle, then A angle. It will be cot B minus cot A. Denominator over. Now fill numerator part. Numerator according to this 1 plus, but in the cot reverse 1 later. So it will be cot B cot A, here plus, then here minus. Okay. Now here minus, then here plus 1. So cot B into cot A. Cot B into cot A. So now cot A plus B over and cot A minus B over. One formula over. Now I will write the second one. Only one is over. Now second. In the second, I will write sine 2x. Okay. Now there are two important formulae for sine 2x. Sine 2x first is, let me write in A only because I am writing AB now. So I will write sine 2A. Sine 2A is 2 sine A and cos A. Okay. One is this. And one is this 2 tan A. Upon, do you know this? Sine 2A? Don't know. Now you should know. 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay. 1 plus tan square A. Now you are thinking writing this also, writing this also. Yes, there are two forms of sine 2A. One is this form and one is this form. According to problem, whatever form is useful, you have to use according to problem. This is also sine 2A formula. This is also sine 2A. So, okay, sine 2A there are two. And what about next? It is first, second, tan 2A. Tan 2A similar to this. In tan 2A, only one here. So, it is 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. Please note that if it is plus, it is sine 2A. If it is minus, it is tan 2A. Remaining same. 2 tan A, 2 tan A. 1 minus but 1 plus. Third, cos 2A. Now in cos 2A there are 4. Not even 1, not even 2. 4. I will write all the 4. Cos 2A there are 4 formulas. First is cos square A minus sin square A. Do you know if by chance, suppose cos square A plus sin square A, then what is the value? 1. But if it is minus between, then it is cos 2A. Okay? Just listen, keep listening to me, okay? Don't. Another one, 1 minus 2 sin square A. This is also very useful. In so many problems, we will be using this formula. And also 2 more are there, 2 more. So I will write here because space is not enough. One is 2 cos square A minus 1. And fourth in terms of tan, it is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay, complete this list. Okay. This I am running upside. Okay, next. Sin 2A, tan 2A, cos 2A. Now second multiple over. Now I will write third multiple. Sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A. Third. Sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. It is first part. Second, cos 3A. Cos 3A is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Tan 3A. Tan 3A is 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay, third multiple is over. Now comes very important formula. Okay, it is very important because 80% we will be using this list of fourth point. Yeah, maximum cases we will be using this. In this, one pattern is there, okay. Sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D. Now do not get confused with this sin of C minus D. Okay, it is sin C minus sin D, 2 sin, and the previous one it was only sin and then bracket A plus B. Okay, so here 2 sin C plus sin D. Okay, this is in every formula there will be 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay, I'm just writing in a similar way so that you can also write later on. After that, whenever both sign and plus, it will be sine something here, cos something. If minus, then cos first and sine later. Cos and sine. Whenever both cos, so both cos, do you remember in that cos of a plus b, cos cos sine sine together. So whenever both cos, here also both cos, cos cos. Whenever cos c minus cos d, then both sine, it will be sine and sine. Okay, but now here right, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, and same, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, and here some change, here d minus c by 2, the last one, d minus c. Do you want to write c minus d? Huh? Say yes or no. Okay, right. Then I will shift minus here. I will shift minus front, because if you remember, sine minus x is minus sine x. So I will take minus common. It is 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. If you following the same pattern, then 1 minus extra here. Okay. And this list is most important. Fourth point. Sine 75 degree. Do you know sine 75 degree? Don't know. But if you are little smart, you can think 75, we can write sum of two known degree angle, known degree. 75, how can we break? 45 plus 30, and that's it. After that, you can use sine a plus b. Okay. Fifth, you need to find sine 75 degree. But 75 you do not know, but you are little smart. Then you will write this as 45 plus 30, because 45 plus 30 on addition it is 75. Now you will apply sine of a plus b formula. What is sine of a plus b? Right here, sine of a plus b. Sine a cos b plus cos a and sine b. So then, according to what is a, what is b? A is 45, b is 30. Sine 45, okay, cos 30 plus cos 45 and sine 30. Sine 45, everybody knows, 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45, and here 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 it is, no? Can you see denominator different, but denominator same? Correct now? It is what? 1 into root 3 by 2 root 2, and this is 1 by 2 root 2. So denominator same. Whenever denominator same, no need to take LCM, directly add the numerators. So what is the final answer? Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, and you got the answer of sine 75 degree. Okay, note it. Next is, I think, 10, how much? 15. 10, 15 degree. 45 minus 30. Correct. Any other way? There are two possible ways. You have to write two known angles. Sum of two known angles or difference of two known angles. 60 minus 45. That also correct. 60 degree we know. 45 we know. 45 minus 30 or 60 minus 45. Any one is correct. So 10, 15 you will write 10, 45 minus 30. Now which formula is applicable here? Which formula? Tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b. Recall quickly. Tan of a minus b. tan 10 upon 1 tan 10. Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A and tan B. This is the formula. So if you use this formula here, then what is your answer? Okay. Completed? Okay, then if you completed, try the same question by other method. Tan 15 degree is tan 60 minus 45. Okay. By this method also your answer should be same, 2 minus root 3. Now do a liter. Second method. Okay, mathematics is not just about solving. Okay, you have to think also, is there any other way I can approach the problem? Okay, here onwards now your thought process is required, so be focused. Okay, in the left hand side you have cos sin cos sin. Which formula? Check your list. In which formula both cos both sin together? I said check the list. Cos a minus b or cos a plus b, both. But which is useful? Because here minus, it means we should use a plus b formula. So that is called observation, how to think, how to solve, how to approach. Okay, you will say we know that. I don't know, you know or not, but I know. We know that cos a, cos b minus sin a and sin b equals to cos a plus b. Is it correct? Now what should I do? You have to substitute a value and b value according to your proving part. Now look at the proving part. Look at the proving part. What to put a and what to put b. This first is a and this is b. Pi by 4 minus x. Pi by 4 minus y. Now put, replace a and b. Do yourself. Do yourself. Complete at least 2 steps. I don't know how to do. You solve. Susmita, complete ಮಾಡಿ quickly. Oh, listen. Just you have to replace a and b value. Once you replace a and b value, you will get left hand side as it is, and right hand side just simplify, and you will prove the complete expression. Cos pi by 4 minus x, and here cos pi by 4 minus y. Sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y, and right hand side is cos a plus b, but a means this value and b means this value. So a plus b means add pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. If you observe, this is exactly left hand side. This is exactly left hand side. So do not change anything in the left. Just solve right hand side and hence prove later on. Pi by 4 means how much? It is 45. It is 45 degree. It is 45 degree. Both are plus. So 45, 45, 90. But 90 in the radian. How much? 90 in the radian. Pi by 2. It means you will write this cos pi by 2 minus x minus y. Like this. Okay? Understood? Okay. Then cos pi by 2 minus common, it is x plus y. What is cos pi by 2 minus theta? Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Directly sin x plus y. Okay, proved. Hence proved. This is only copy. Same. No change. You already got left hand side, then why to change? Okay, seventh. Question number 7. Take LHS. Take the left hand side and prove right hand side. What is left hand side? 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x. So which formula you can apply? Yes. Observe the list of the formula. List of the formula. Here it is same like 10 of a plus b. Numerator same like 10 of a plus b. Let me write LHS first. 10 pi by 4 plus x. 10 pi by 4. You can see here 10 a plus b form applicable in numerator part and denominator 10 a minus b. Now you know 10 a plus b, 10 a minus b. Just solve. Upside 10 a plus b. So it is 10 pi by 4 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10 pi by 4 and 10x. Okay. Open denominator formula. 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4 10x. This equal sign here, exactly here. Now simplify. Do you know 10 pi by 4 value? Yes, then substitute. 10 pi by 4 means 1. So it is 1 plus 10x divided by 1 minus 1. 10 pi by 4 is 1. So 1 into 10x. 1 into 10x upon, it is into 10 pi by 4 1 minus 10x divided by 1 plus 1 into 10x. Now this is like this, a upon b divided by c upon d. So it is same as a into d upon b into c. D going up and c coming here. Whenever the expression like a upon b divided by c upon d. So the answer is a into d upon b into c. It means this will go here, this will go here, and this will go here. So when you simplify 1 plus 10x, and this is also 1 plus 10x. So 1 plus 10x into 1 plus 10x. 1 plus 10x whole square. Okay, it is 1 minus 10x and it is also 1 minus 10x. So twice whole square. 1 minus 10x whole square. And if you see your right hand side, exactly the same. 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. It is whole square, it is whole square. So we can combine the whole square. So it means 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x. Combine this whole square, and it is your right hand side. Okay, hence proved. Okay, proved, finished. See, in the proving part here, you have to think how to proceed. Okay, how can we solve? And there may be more than one method to solve, more than one.